The best Japanese cuisine. It's Oja Hibachi Grill and Steakhouse.
In this week's court report, the man and woman arrested in connection to an Idaho female's murder after a reported soured love affair and allegations of infidelity are both scheduled to be extradited back to Idaho by December 13th. That decision was made during Jeremy White and Deena Aday's extradition hearing in Justice Court on November 29th. Now, according to court documents, the defendants are to be picked up by Idaho authorities no later than 14 days from that date. During those proceedings, both White and Aday were present and in custody and signed a waiver of extradition. White, who was reportedly the boyfriend of the victim, was initially arrested after local police were tipped off that he might be visiting family in Pahrump after allegedly killing his long-term girlfriend. Then Aday, the female passenger who was in White's vehicle, was arrested after being questioned by NCSO detectives for allegedly being an accessory. White remains in custody with bail set at $600,000 cash only. He has a status review scheduled in Pahrump Justice Court on December 23rd. Aday also remains in custody with her bail set at $200,000 cash only. She has a follow-up proceeding scheduled in Pahrump Justice Court on December 16th. The two members of a trio arrested in connection to an armed robbery at the Horizon Market on East Highway 372 had their formal arraignment on Monday. Lucas Marshall Partain and Joseph Tomas Nelson both appeared in custody. Both Partain and Nelson are charged with robbery with the use of a deadly weapon, burglary, conspiracy to commit robbery, and conspiracy to commit burglary. Surveillance video allegedly identified Partain and a 17-year-old unidentified minor as the two robbers. Nelson is allegedly the third suspect who was already in the store at the time of the robbery and reportedly fled with the two suspects. An affidavit and application for appointment of counsel was signed and filed for Partain. Nelson was appointed Attorney Gensler as his public defender. Both Partain and Nelson have their pretrial hearing scheduled on February 1st, 2017, and a preliminary hearing set for February 15th, 2017. A local man arrested in connection to a shooting at the Tatuado Wildside Bar made his first appearance in court and had his formal arraignment scheduled for earlier this afternoon. Jack Freeland Allen was charged with battery with use of a deadly weapon and assault with a deadly weapon after he allegedly shot at a bar patron and a bartender who kicked him out of the bar for being disorderly. Allen reportedly struck the bar patron in the foot as he drove away and fled the scene. During his first appearance, the court advised Allen that probable cause was found and set bail at $100,000 cash or $200,000 bond. The defendant did motion for a bail reduction, but was denied and remanded back into custody. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.